Welcome to Canvas Window Art channel. Today we will be trying to work with basics of portrait. So here to draw the portrait drawing with a proportion, we have a A4 size of drawing paper, and I have a 5B pencil, 8B pencil, and then today we will try to make a portrait or a face drawing with a proportion. When we talking about the portrait, this will be very much helpful to whoever appearing for NATA examination, NIFT, or design examination, NID, Bachelor of Fine Art students, visual communication students, and graphic designers. Those who were involved in designing area, they are working with art area. So this will be very much helpful to them to understand basics proportion of the portrait. Okay, to draw the portrait, I'll be trying to make a simple, very simple circle here. Just I'm scribbling. I made a very simple circle. Okay. Then just I have made it as a oval for the face, and then I have divided into a center line, vertical line. Then here almost I have divided into two equal portion. Okay, so here this is one equal portion, one portion of the head, and this will be the another portion of it. Okay, so here below the circle line, I'm making a mark for the nose, and here is the lips. Okay, just to mark it approximately. And here then to draw the eyes, I'm just making a mark over here. I'm drawing the eyes here, just a simple oval. In between this, you need to have a one eye distance, okay, to make a proportion properly. So here for the nose, I'm just making as a circle, and then marking for eyebrow with little thick line, just a mark. Then you can connect the nose from the eyebrow. You connected, and you can draw the nostril here, nostril, and then just draw the nostril here. From this line you can add up the upper lip, then the lower lip, just mark it, and for the chin. Okay, so from the cheek, here is the cheekbone. Actually, to draw the portrait, you need to understand how the human skull is. So if you have a chance, you can try to draw the human skull. Then, because you have to understand what is there inside the flesh. So just so the same line I have marked for the cheek. Here we will be trying to draw a girl face here. But to draw the portrait, I didn't take any reference. Here for the hairstyle, I have chose a traditional kind of a hairstyle. to a young girl. Just above this line you can have a small portion for the hair, little portion increased. So here the lip, I have to tell you, the lip or the mouth should ended at the eyeball, starting point of the eyeball or the pupil inside. Just I made the eyeball here and the eyelid, eyeball. When you draw the eyeball, no need to draw full size, a full circle shape to the eyeball. 1/4 of the portion will be inside the eyeball, inside the eyes. So you have to draw the pupil here, eyelid, and the mouth will be ended at the most end of the starting point of the eyeball actually. There are many different ways, or there are many different proportions will be used by the artist. So whichever comfort to you, you can choose it. By the practice you will get it, whichever your proportion in the drawing. So here end of the eyes you can draw the neck portion. Here is the neck portion. Okay, just I have made a rough sketch. Here neck is ended. So from here you can start the shoulder. Okay, so and the ear portion should be from this line and to the nose line, just to make a simple shape. So this measurement, after learning the portrait with measurement, without these marks you can draw it very easily. So just I have added a simple hairstyle here for a young girl. Just okay, kind of a right. Okay, so this is the basic proportion. Now we will try to darken with an 8B pencil. Same thing, you can just add the detail. And the eyelashes you could add. On the lower lid of eyes should be thick little lines, a small thickness to be added. And below the eyes you have to add a mark here. And lips, just I drew the same outline again, added very few details more. Ears, add details. Just draw a simple sketch kind of a drawing. Don't expect to be a clean, neat outline. While learning, you have to draw a sketch kind of a drawing. Okay, so Now almost we have completed the rough proportion of put, right? So if you want to shade it, you can shade it later. Just I made it a very simple shading to indicate the depth. So we are not working the shading portion much here, just I have done a small portion to show you the depth. Okay, so I hope you like this video. So we will meet again with another tutorial. Subscribe, share and comment. Thank you very much. Thanks for watching.